Toddlers find learning adventures. A is for April when showers fall. B is for bees buzzing one and all. C is for caterpillars crawling slow. D is for daffodils starting to grow. E is for eggs in a nest so small. F is for flowers blooming tall. G is for gardens we plant with care. H is for hats we wear out there. I is for insects flying near. J is for jumping, spring is here. K is for kites soaring in the sky. L is for ladybugs crawling by. M is for mud, so squishy and fun. N is for nest in the springtime sun. O is for outside when we run and play. P is for picnics on a warm spring day. Q is for quacking ducks at the lake. R is for rainbows after rain we make. S is for sunshine, bright and warm. T is for tulips in every form. U is for umbrella on rainy days. V is for violets in purple displays. W is for worms wriggling around. X is for exciting sights we've found. Y is for yellow chicks that peep. Z is for springtime naps so sweet. Spring is special, can't you see? There's something fun from A to Z.
For watching and learning with us.
See you next time.